Nobody told you
that owning a business in 2026 doesn't require a big factory, a big team, or a big city. While most people chase online trends, smart entrepreneurs are producing everyday products people already buy. Stick around because today I'm sharing business ideas you can start right now using machines that quietly dominate local markets. These machines work from home, serve nearby businesses, and generate income through repeat demand. If you're serious about building something practical, scalable, and future-proof, watch till the end, because the real profit comes from how you sell, not just what you produce. Edible oils are shifting toward purity, traceability, and health-conscious consumption, making cold-pressed oil one of the fastest-growing food segments. This Mingxin MX70 cold and hot press machine processes up to 500 kilograms per day and supports flaxseed, soybean, rapeseed, and tea seed oil. Built for continuous operation, it allows small producers to sell premium oil without chemical refining. Buyers trust oils made locally, especially when freshness and extraction method are visible. The machine's ability to operate in both cold and hot press modes gives flexibility for different oil types and market pricing. With bulk seed sourcing and premium retail positioning, margins remain strong. Sales flow through local grocery stores, health shops, farmers markets, WhatsApp orders, and repeat customers. This business works because oil consumption never stops, but premium oil buyers are growing every year. Food delivery and takeaway culture has exploded globally, and packaging demand is rising alongside it. This DEYI foam tray forming machine from Shandong produces fast food boxes at industrial speed, handling 90 to 650 kilograms per day. Restaurants, meat shops, fruit vendors, and caterers consume trays daily, making demand extremely stable. Instead of competing online, most sellers lock local contracts with food businesses, creating predictable monthly income. The machine supports customization in size and shape, which helps win bulk buyers. Raw material costs remain low, while packaging margins stay consistent due to volume sales. Entrepreneurs scale by supplying nearby cities and wholesalers. This business thrives on repetition, logistics efficiency, and local relationships, not advertising hype. Paper bags are no longer optional. They are becoming mandatory as plastic bans expand across cities and countries. This Kara RKFD 330 paper bag making machine is designed to produce food and shopping bags used daily by bakeries, grocery stores, clothing brands, and retail chains. The strength of this business lies in volume and repeat orders. Shops don't buy once, they reorder every week. With the ability to customize size and branding, local manufacturers gain an edge over large factories with slow delivery times. Raw craft paper is affordable, while finished bags sell in bulk with stable margins. Sales grow through direct store visits, distributor tie-ups, and supply contracts with retailers. As sustainability regulations tighten, demand increases automatically, making this a long-term, regulation-driven business. Single-use sauce sachets dominate fast food, street food, and cloud kitchens because they offer hygiene, portion control, and convenience. This Jason Machine JS220Y liquid packing machine from Guangdong efficiently packs chutney, taco sauce, ketchup, and flavored sauces into sealed sachets. Small restaurants and food chains prefer local suppliers who can customize flavors and quantities quickly. Ingredients cost very little, but packaging multiplies the product's value. The real profit comes from bulk repeat orders rather than one-time sales. Entrepreneurs build demand by supplying nearby food stalls, caterers, cloud kitchens, and wholesalers. Once restaurants trust your consistency and hygiene, they rarely switch suppliers. This business thrives on reliability, not advertising, making it ideal for steady daily production and predictable cash flow. Adhesive tape is a silent but essential product used across construction, packaging, electrical work, insulation, and logistics. This Shuangda rubber extruder tape machine from Hebei produces strong, durable adhesive tape suitable for industrial and commercial use. Demand remains stable because tape is consumed daily and never reused. The advantage of this business is bulk wholesale supply rather than retail branding. Hardware stores, builders, and logistics companies prefer nearby suppliers who can deliver quickly. Raw materials are standardized, production is consistent, and finished goods have a long shelf life. Once quality is proven, buyers place recurring orders without heavy marketing. Entrepreneurs scale by supplying distributors and regional wholesalers, making this a low-marketing, high-repeat industrial business with dependable margins. Eco-friendly disposable cutlery is rapidly replacing plastic due to environmental regulations and consumer pressure. This Greenwood wooden cutlery molding machine from Liaoning manufactures spoons and forks used by airlines, hotels, restaurants, and takeaway brands. Wooden cutlery commands higher pricing because it is biodegradable and premium-looking. The business succeeds by selling in bulk to food service providers and exporters rather than individual consumers. Raw wood material costs remain low, while finished products sell at strong margins. Restaurants and catering companies reorder continuously, creating steady demand. With sustainability becoming a legal requirement in many regions, this business benefits from policy-driven growth. Once supply contracts are secured, production runs consistently with minimal marketing effort. Personalized clothing has shifted from niche to mainstream, driven by social media, events, and small brands. This refined color DTG printing machine from Guangdong prints high-resolution designs directly onto fabric, allowing rapid customization without bulk inventory. Entrepreneurs sell custom t-shirts for brands, schools, events, influencers, and online stores. The biggest advantage is flexibility. Designs change instantly without stopping production. Profit margins remain high because customers pay for personalization, not fabric cost. Sales grow through Instagram, WhatsApp orders, Shopify stores, and local partnerships. Because production happens on demand, waste is minimal, and cash flow stays healthy. This business thrives on creativity, speed, and branding rather than large manufacturing scale. Socks are a daily necessity, with repeat consumption, making them one of the most stable textile products. This Hao Yue computerized sock knitting machine from Zhejiang produces 300 to 400 pairs per day, with multicolor and advanced knitting features. It supports fashion, sports, and casual sock designs, allowing differentiation beyond basic products. Local brands succeed by offering comfort, design, and quality, rather than competing on price alone. Sales channels include wholesalers, retail stores, online platforms, and private label supply. Once distribution is established, production runs continuously. The machine's automation reduces labor dependency, keeping costs controlled. This business works because socks never go out of demand, but branding creates long-term growth. High-precision manufacturing is shifting toward customization, and ceramic 3D printing sits at the center of this change. This DMK Cerabuilder 60S ceramic 3D printer from Hebei produces ultra-precise components used in medical, aerospace, and advanced engineering applications. Instead of mass markets, profits come from specialized contracts and high-value clients. The machine supports material development and technical collaboration, making it suitable for research-based production and innovation hubs. Orders are fewer, but significantly higher in value. Businesses grow through partnerships with labs, universities, and industrial clients. This machine suits entrepreneurs focused on expertise-driven manufacturing rather than volume sales. Reusable non-woven bags are rapidly replacing plastic bags as governments, retailers, and consumers push for sustainable packaging. This Banglan non-woven bag-making machine from Henan is built for high-speed production, delivering between 20 and 120 bags per minute. These bags are widely used by supermarkets, clothing stores, pharmacies, exhibitions, and promotional campaigns, creating year-round demand. The machines support size variation and branding, which allows manufacturers to lock in long-term wholesale buyers. Raw non-woven fabric is inexpensive, while printed finished bags sell at strong margins in bulk. Entrepreneurs grow by supplying local retailers, distributors, and event organizers rather than competing online. As sustainability policies expand across regions, demand continues to rise naturally, making this a regulation-backed business with predictable sales and scalable growth. The global shift toward healthy snacking has turned dried fruits into a high-demand product with premium pricing. This IKE industrial fruit dehydrator from Guangdong processes 800 to 1,000 kilograms per batch, converting fresh fruits into shelf-stable snacks without preservatives. Dehydrated fruits have long shelf life, low spoilage risk, and easy logistics, making them ideal for small producers. Entrepreneurs source fruits during peak harvest seasons to maximize margins, then sell year-round. Buyers include health food stores, exporters, snack brands, and online sellers. Packaging and branding dramatically increase perceived value. Because storage does not require refrigeration, operating costs remain low. This business scales easily by adding product varieties and distribution channels while maintaining consistent demand driven by health-conscious consumers. Convenience foods continue to dominate household consumption, and pasta remains one of the most reliable categories. This Lin Yang macaroni pasta making machine from Shandong produces up to 150 kilograms per hour, making it suitable for continuous production. Pasta is inexpensive to produce, easy to store, and consumed regularly by families, restaurants, and food services. Entrepreneurs succeed by supplying wholesalers, private label brands, and local distributors rather than selling direct to consumers. Product consistency and packaging play a key role in premium pricing. Shelf stability allows wide distribution without cold storage, reducing logistics costs. Once distribution is established, repeat bulk orders keep production running steadily. This machine supports a business model built on volume, consistency, and long-term contracts rather than trend-based sales. Localized manufacturing and rapid prototyping are transforming how products are developed and supplied. This FYSETC Voron portable 3D printer from Guangdong supports flexible, on-demand production of parts, tools, prototypes, and custom components. Instead of manufacturing products for inventory, entrepreneurs earn by offering printing services to designers, engineers, repair shops, and startups. Profit comes from speed, accuracy, and customization rather than volume. The compact design allows operation from home or small workshops. Businesses scale by adding more printers instead of expanding space. Demand continues to grow as companies outsource small batch production to avoid upfront equipment costs. This model is ideal for entrepreneurs who want a low inventory, service-based manufacturing business with expanding applications. Packaging remains the backbone of the beverage and liquid products industry, and plastic bottles are in constant demand. This BEVO plastic bottle-making machine from Jiangsu produces between 2,000 and 28,000 bottles per hour, supporting small to mid-scale bottling operations. Local beverage brands prefer nearby bottle suppliers to reduce transportation costs and supply delays. Once bottle quality meets standards, long-term supply contracts ensure stable revenue. Raw material costs are predictable, and production efficiency keeps margins consistent. This business focuses on B2B relationships rather than consumer marketing. As bottled beverages, oils, and cleaning products continue expanding, demand remains steady, making this a contract-driven manufacturing business with reliable cash flow. Soap is a non-cyclical, daily-use product with constant demand across households, hotels, hospitals, and institutions. This ocean soap-making machine from Henan produces between 100 and 300 kilograms per hour, supporting both laundry and toilet soap production. Entrepreneurs gain advantage by supplying private labels, hotels, and bulk buyers, rather than competing in retail stores. Ingredients are affordable, and formulation flexibility allows differentiation through fragrance, shape, and packaging. Once buyers approve quality, repeat orders follow consistently. Branding transforms a basic product into a premium offering, increasing margins without raising production costs. This machine supports a scalable business built on repeat consumption, long-term contracts, and strong brand positioning. Which machine impressed you the most? And which one would you start in your city? Comment below. If you want detailed cost, supplier strategy, and step-by-step launch plans, like, subscribe, and stay connected. Because microfactories are the future.